Hi guys, this is Anya.
And this is George.
We want you to leave the couch and come with us.
We're going to take you on a beautiful journey here to a hidden secret waterfall. Let's go.
Come with us.
Come on.
Alright, so today we're going to the beautiful waterfall, and it's so hidden and it's so secret that there are no signs. It's barely on any maps and any books, but we are going to take you there right now. So, right this way, see that? Follow us. And you have to give it quite a bend right here and quite a bow right here. And see guys, obstacles like that, that's what we're going to be facing today.
This is the way. Come and follow me. Okay, cut. No.
I don't know.
The pathway goes this way, but we also have another pathway over there. Let's see if we go that way. A little bit of that Indiana Jones spirit, you know? I wonder why. You guys, you don't want to miss this. Hiking the couch, you gotta just leave it. Leave it behind you. Who wants to press the thing and get exercise, and you get all those stirred up emotions from all that stuff we watch on TV? Look at this. This is incredible. You guys gotta come with us everywhere we go, okay?
Okay, so I think the path is actually that way. So follow me and we'll get out of here. Oh man, this is big. Wow.
That's why it's called stinging nettle.
Oh.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. You gotta love this Bigfoot stuff. You know, Bigfoot does stuff like this.
You know what? I think we're actually gonna have to go and look for one.
I was just gonna say that our next search will be Bigfoot. That would be
I don't know about
so.
the next one, but
well,
one of the close ones.
Soon, huh?
Yeah. Man, it's so crazy overgrown. Like total nature, wild. George has really long legs, a lot longer than mine. I'm really short, so I can barely keep up. So you guys tell George to slow down. Okay, I'm not a very good climber, so I don't have very stable ankles. So, oh man, it gets sweaty here. Okay, let's go. Water!
I hear it.
I hear water.
That's exciting.
I think there might be a waterfall. Woo! No, seriously.
Wow.
I hear water. Can you say water?
Yes, I do.
That we made it. Look at it, guys. We made it. We found the waterfall. It's amazing. Okay, so some helpful soul was here before, and this is for us. See that? Without it, it would be really, really hard to go down there. So I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna turn backwards. So we're gonna head on down. Woo!
I'm going for it.
Okay, so this is the waterfall that nobody will tell you about, except for us.
Okay, we made it. Here is the hidden waterfall. Incredible. It's worth getting off your couch and following us wherever we go. Guys, we made it. It was worth the trip.
So make sure to follow us, subscribe to our vlog, and we're going to take you to a lot more places like this.
Come and join our adventures.
Yep.